How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. SodaStreams can carbonize liquids. You can carbonize anything you want, and a lot of people have. Milk, coffee, tea, but I have never seen anyone carbonize soup. So today I'm gonna stick chicken soup inside the SodaStream and give it a try. Thank you for choosing SodaStream. All right, blah. They don't want you to put all kinds of liquids in there, just basically water. Open this up. I don't think we need the manuals. We're really using this not per recommendation of the manufacturer. Let's bubble, push down firmly, hold 2 seconds and release. Repeat 3 times for light fizz, 5 times for strong fizz, continue for extra fizz. Okay, practice. 1, 2. This nozzle looks like it's like a little piece of metal over here. And as I push it in, it looks like that clamps down onto the bottle and it doesn't come off. But if I pull it out, then it comes off easily. Remove this cap. You just push it and it releases gas. Okay, you can spray it in your face if you want. Let's make some chicken soup. Fish sauce. This is the scum. Skim it all off. Do this for like 40 minutes. Oh, hello. I have some chicken over here. This was from the chicken soup. I don't want to go too off topic over here, so I'm just gonna have my dinner. I am making the chicken soup while I'm eating dinner and all. Look at this. This is like wonderful little morsels of chicken. Look at this cartilage piece over here. Oh my gosh, perfect. Organic apple cider. Here it is. My favorite cartilage piece. Crunchy. Smells good. There's another piece. This is like the knee joint. There's a knee joint, and then there's a joint between the drumstick and the chicken foot. This is that one, I think. Different kind of good. This one has more cartilage and collagen because it's a little gooey. And then over here is the little triangle piece, the cartilage. There's a little bit of meat stuck on it, which is great when there's a little bit of that. Let's give this a try. My favorite. What's your favorite part of the chicken? Put it down in the comments down below. 2.5 hours later. This is like prime chicken soup. It's like what they call first boil because it has all the concentration of the chicken, and I didn't add too much water. This is very concentrated chicken soup. If you put this in like some sort of noodle, oh my gosh, this is like liquid gold right here. The last thing we want to do is put really hot soup into that container and then maybe it'll explode in my face or something. So I'm gonna let this cool down to room temperature first before trying to fizz it up. It's overnight. I have chilled chicken soup that will allow me to fill it up to this line over here. I'm gonna give the cold chicken soup a taste first. Tastes good, but you don't normally drink chicken soup cold. It's still very flavorful, but you see the fat just kind of solidified on the top. In any case, I'm gonna pour this in here and see what happens. Plug this thing in. Press down and hold for 2 seconds and do it 3 or 4 times. It looks like some sort of champagne. It looks quite tasty. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. I actually want it really fizzy. I'm gonna stop there because the bubbles just went all the way up to the top. Yeah, you can see it's kind of settling down. The color is solid over here. You got bubbles here. You guys know about hot Coke? In Hong Kong, people like to drink hot Coke, and it's kind of like a remedy for your cold or something. They would boil Coke like in a microwave or on a pot or something, and then they would add lemon, and then when you drink it, It's very fizzy and very hot, and it tastes completely different than regular Coke. I'm thinking it might taste something similar, except it's not gonna be sweet. It's gonna be chicken soup. And we're gonna try it cold and then, see how that is. And then we're also gonna try it hot. So let me try to release this slowly. Aha, okay. You really gotta do this slowly. Pour some in here. Okay. The chicken flavor kind of got mellowed out a little bit. It's not gross, not like carbonated milk or anything. So I can kind of accept this. I think I can. Yeah, I can drink more of this. Give this a good gulp. You know what this tastes like? It's kind of like if you ate fried chicken and then you drank some soda. That's kind of the flavor that you have here. It's like fried chicken with soda drink. I actually wanted hot carbonated chicken soup, so I'm gonna go heat some of this up. I'm gonna just add a little bit, go to the microwave. Smells really good. This is really good chicken soup. And I can see it's fizzing. Let's give this a try. I can't taste the carbonation now. I think it's like flattened out so much from all the cooking that you can't taste much of it. Next time when I heat up the chicken soup, I'm not going to heat it up just as much so it'll retain more of the carbonation. Tastes pretty good. Let's make some noodles and then put carbonated chicken soup into it. I'll use about a cup and a half of this in my noodles. I'm gonna microwave this 60 seconds. So I just boiled the noodles for 2 minutes, everything else with 2 minutes, and we got the egg. This should be half boiled. And the carbonated chicken soup. This is gonna be one interesting soup. It's lost a lot of the carbonation after I poured it in. It's like it all fizzed out. It might be kind of like a gimmicky thing restaurants can do from now on. They're like, oh, carbonated, but then by the time you drink it, it just tastes like regular chicken soup. I can still taste the carbonation a little bit though. It makes it kind of slightly acidic, but let me try it with the noodles. Not bad. Spam. Right now it seems like all the carbonation is lost. Yeah, I can't taste the carbonation now. It's kind of like some restaurants, they like to put dry ice in your food and then it goes blah, all this nice foggy stuff coming off, but then it does nothing for your food. Same thing with this carbonation thing. It could be a pretty nice gimmick. So there you have it. I think in a ramen, it's a gimmick, but if you drink it cold, well, that's something interesting. It's like fried chicken with soda. This is the cold one. The chicken soup loses a lot of the intensity of the chicken flavor when it's cold. So it's kind of like a waste of chicken soup when you drink it cold. You want the flavor to stand out, like in the broth. So that's all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this carbonation of chicken soup. Don't forget to give me a like, comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna give this a try. It's a very interesting new taste, I would say. And as always, don't forget to push that subscribe button and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching.